Meditation tips for beginners, 10 minutes a day for a quieter mind. Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed or stressed out by the demands of daily life? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with anxiety and a busy mind that just won't shut off. Fortunately, meditation can help. By taking just 10 minutes a day to sit and breathe, you can quiet your mind and find a sense of calm that will carry you through the rest of your day. But where to begin? For those who have never meditated before, the prospect can be daunting. That's why I've put together this guide to meditation for beginners. With these tips, you'll be on your way to a daily meditation practice in no time. Start small. It can be tempting to jump right in and commit to an hour-long meditation session, but that's not realistic for most people. Instead, start with just 10 minutes a day. Set a timer so you don't have to worry about checking the clock and let yourself relax into the practice. Find a comfortable seat. Whether you're sitting on a cushion or a chair, make sure you're comfortable. You don't want to be fidgeting or shifting throughout your meditation. Sit up straight with your shoulders relaxed and your hands resting in your lap. Focus on your breath. The key to meditation is to focus your attention on your breath. As you inhale, feel your lungs fill with air. As you exhale, let your breath out slowly. If your mind starts to wander, simply bring your attention back to your breath. Don't judge yourself. It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Don't beat yourself up over it. Instead, acknowledge that your mind has wandered and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Make it a daily habit. Consistency is key when it comes to meditation. Try to meditate at the same time every day, whether it's first thing in the morning or right before bed. By making it a habit, you'll find it easier to stick with. Find a guided meditation. If you're having trouble getting started, try a guided meditation. There are plenty of apps and YouTube videos that offer guided meditations for beginners. Follow along with the voice and let yourself relax into the practice. Use a mantra. A mantra is a word or phrase that you repeat to yourself during meditation. It can be something as simple as peace or calm. By focusing on the mantra, you can quiet your mind and find a sense of peace. Keep a journal. After each meditation, take a few minutes to jot down your thoughts and feelings. This can help you track your progress and identify patterns in your practice. Read up on meditation. There are plenty of books and articles on meditation that can help deepen your understanding of the practice. Some of my favorites include 10% Happier by Dan Harris and The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Be patient. Meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time to master. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick with it and trust that the benefits will come. So there you have it, 10 tips for starting a daily meditation practice. Now, let's put it into practice with a 10-minute guided meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let any tension in your body melt away. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any thoughts or worries. Focus your attention on your breath. As you inhale, feel your lungs fill with air. As you exhale, let your breath out slowly. Repeat this pattern of breathing, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, simply acknowledge the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Be patient and keep bringing your attention back to your breath. As you continue to breathe, imagine a bright light in the center of your chest. This light represents your inner peace and calm. With each breath, imagine the light growing brighter and stronger, spreading throughout your entire body. Allow yourself to relax into this feeling of calm and peace. Stay with your breath, and let go of any thoughts or worries that may arise. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Congratulations! You've just completed a 10-minute guided meditation. Remember to be patient and consistent with your practice. With time and dedication, you'll find that meditation can bring a sense of peace and calm to your life. As you continue on your meditation journey, I invite you to join the Thoughts with Meaning channel. We offer regular articles and resources on mindfulness, meditation, and personal growth. We also welcome your feedback and questions, so don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. And if you're interested in learning more about how to create compelling content like this article, check out my website, Busty. I share insider tips and secrets on content creation, as well as resources for growing your online presence. Your support helps us continue to offer valuable content to our readers. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a quieter mind and a more fulfilling life.